Everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Bitsgap and Kucoin is having a competition. Scalper bot trading competition. 5 free scalper bots for 30 days. 250 winners to share a massive prize pool. No paid subscription needed. Exclusive for Kucoin. So connecting your Bitsgap grid trading bot to Kucoin, you get 5 free scalper bots for the next 30 days. And the opportunity to win prize money. All you're gonna need is funds to trade with. I've looked through the different coins, and some of the coins you can get away with less than $50. It's just to search for them. So with $250, you can stand the chance to win or share of the prize pool. But let's get to Bitsgap and let's get my bots going for the competition. $24,110 in the prize pool already. Launch up to 5 scalper bots on Kucoin in addition your plan, including trail, limit, and free, and claim your share of an ever-growing prize pool. The more yield you generate, the higher rank you get, the bigger prize cut you may win. As we can see currently, there's 1,411 participants. As you can see, I'm not ranked yet because I'm only getting in now. So let's get it activated and let's get going. The first bot I'm looking to add is 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑, which is a gaming token which might have huge potential in December in the next few weeks. As we can see, the grid steps and the grid levels is set by the scalper bot. You don't have the option to change it. So the main thing you need to do is connect your Bitsgap to Kucoin via your API keys and choose 5 coins to trade. It's going to come down to choosing the perfect 5 because the bot is automated and it sets its own settings for the scalping. Now I've decided I'm going to put $150 into each coin because it's the highest percentage return that's getting the prizes. It's no need to get in massively. Just to give you an indication, 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑, you need $44.78 to trade, less than $50. So let's get our first coin going. Preview our skill bot and we confirm. Now we'll just wait for it to load the limit orders and set it all up. After it's done that, our next bot we'll be looking at is the 𝙒𝙼𝙧 bot. Another coin I reckon has the opportunity to give me the gains. I've looked for different coins which might give me enough percentage return to stand the chance to make at least the top 250. So while 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑 is loading, start our next bot. Let's go to 𝙒𝙼𝙧. And I'm trading my pairs against USDT. 𝙒𝙼𝙧 is a scalper bot. As you can see, grid levels is on 140 grid levels and the grid step is 0.09. The minimum required for 𝙒𝙼𝙧 is $28, but I'm going in with $150 yet again. So let's get our scalper bot 𝙒𝙼𝙧 going. Firm. Buying a bit of 𝙒𝙼𝙧, which is fine. Of course, it has buy and sell orders, so they need a little bit of 𝙒𝙼𝙧. Get 𝙒𝙼𝙧 going. So 𝙒𝙼𝙧 is the second one. As you can see, our grids are starting to come in place. Basically, our sell and buy limit orders. So the third coin we're looking at to load is 𝙏𝙗𝙗𝙧. It's 𝙏𝙗𝙗𝙧. Got 𝙏𝙗𝙗 here. Less than 140 grid levels this time. We got 130. And our grid step is 0.09 instead of 0.07. The minimum required for 𝙏𝙗𝙗𝙧 is $107. still within the range I'm willing to trade with. So let's set up our Theta bot, confirm and get it activated. It's buying a bit of Theta because it has already sell limit orders it needs to put in place. Few seconds. Just buying the enough data to get it started and acting. As you can see, Alice bot has started, so that one is working for us. The Theta market order has been placed, and now it will start placing the orders. While it's playing Theta's order, let's get to the fourth coin we're looking at. The fourth coin we're going to look at is Luna or Terra. Let's get to Luna. USDT. Wrong one. Against USDT. Also 150 grid levels and 0.09 grid steps. The minimum required for Theta is $70. Within the limit and range I've set for this bot to trade for me. We already got 3 bots going. As we can see, Naka and Alice has done quite a bit of trades already. So let's get our Luna bot active as well. We're buying a bit of Luna for that sell limit orders that we're placing prior using this bot. Get it in place. Our Theta bot has started and our Luna market orders been placed. So we'll give it a few seconds, let this bot start up. And then the last coin we'll be adding to our structure is ENJ. A metaverse coin. With the metaverse taking so much opportunity and making a name for themselves, might have the potential to go up nicely. Loading limit orders, slowly but surely. Let's go to ENJ. We'll load it and we'll come back and make sure all our bots is active and underway. Get to ENJ. As you can see, 140 grid levels yet again and 0.09 grid step difference. I've just realized, just make sure after done with this, put this in. What was the minimum required? $53 minimum within my range and giving everyone else the opportunity to get in as well. Get it set. Confirm. Say yes. Set up. We'll wait for our ENJ bot to start. The market order has just been filled. And we'll wrap up this video. The link for Bitsgap will be in the description down below. And the link for Kucoin. You got an opportunity to use these bots for another 28 days for free. And possibly make a decent gain. And you're standing the chance to win some prize money. Have a look at it. If you don't get into the competition, they do have a demo option as well. You can go to the demo option and you can test it and play with it. It's a great opportunity to start trading without being in front of the charts the entire day. It's a buy and sell system. It's grid trading. Pretty easy to maneuver and it just keeps on moving up and down as you need it to. Buy and sell the entire time. Just waiting for ENJ to load. So let's see, our Naka bot has already started making trades for us, as you can see. Naka's underway. The little red dot is a sell and the green dots is buys. Let's look at Alice. What has Alice been doing? Alice has also started buying and selling already for us. Let's see if we can go to a smaller time frame. Quite a bit of buy and sells already. Looking at data, also out of the grids already, but the bot should be able to maneuver itself and give us that percentage. As you can see, all 4 of the 5 is already trailing up. Looking at Luna, just as I start this, all the coins pump. What a coincidence, but we won't mind because it gives us the opportunities for gains. Let's see RR, 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑 bot trading. 𝙏𝙗𝙖 is trading as well and it's active. So we've entered the competition and we're going. As we can see, the price pool has increased since we've started this video already. All right, we can't see if we moved up any spots yet. I'll keep you updated on what's happening. Look at the links below. Leave me your comments, concerns, and ideas. Make profit or maybe win. Have a great one and enjoy.